In this guide, you will learn how to fix the issue of apps not downloading on your iPhone. First, make sure you are connected to the internet, to Wi-Fi or cellular data, and try turning airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Then test a connection by opening a website. If your internet is working, go into settings, tap screen time. You can toggle off for the option content and privacy restrictions or ensure that. Navigate to the option allowed apps and features and make sure these options are enabled. Likewise, click on iTunes and App Store purchases. Click on installing apps and make sure you have checked for the option allowed it. Then you can head back. Go to the main page of settings, scroll all the way down, navigate to the option apps. From the list of apps, find App Store and launch it. Go to this section, cellular data, click on app downloads. Make sure you have checked in for the option always allow. After that, launch your App Store and make sure you are signed into your Apple ID. Then check your account by signing in again and verifying your payment method under manage payments, since an expired card or billing issue can block even free downloads. If everything looks fine, try signing out of your Apple ID in settings and signing back in. Next up, launch settings, go to general, click on software update. If any updates are available, just update it. Next, go to iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Lastly, what you want to do is reset your iPhone. For that, head back, go to the option transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset all settings and go through the process. Following these steps should resolve most problems with apps not downloading on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.